So the next pose is Savasana, which is the classical pose for relaxation. And you need 2 cushions for the hands on either side, same cushions. Put those up, and I'll take these ones for the legs. Okay, so I'm show you how this now works. So in between, best is to take the your props always back at the same place, the one that you know you keep. You can obviously keep it where they are. And first of all, we make a bolster for the legs. So you take 2 blankets on top of each other. Then you fold them sort of a third or quarter in, and then you roll it really tightly. Okay, so that will be the support for the back of your knees. And we set it up in that way. So you shuffle on your mat a bit more towards the bottom. And what is really super nice is if the ankles are free. So because if you're here, you will be a little longer. So the heels, they might feel the pressure of the surface. And to avoid that, you can use a blanket or these cushions, put them underneath so they will be free, and that makes it super nice. So you already start here. Put your blanket to cover on top, because in Savasana you want to set your timer for about 20 minutes. That's a good time. And I won't the video, I won't keep it on all for the 20 minutes, just to settle you in. And then I will turn it off so that you can really come in, set your timer, and stay there your own time. So the head support, I fold a little thicker cushion in half, in a triangular shape, and the pointy bit again towards the spine. So you slowly lower down onto your elbows and then onto your back. So now you should be throughout the back with the legs in a comfortable position. You have your blanket and you place your hands now onto the cushion. Just the hand, not the wrist, just the hand. So the elbow relaxes, the hand is slightly elevated, and the shoulder relaxes more. Measure it all out where it needs to be. The last is your eye mask, eye pad, scarf. And then hands. And you would cover it as well, so that everything stays nicely warm. So when you have your hands placed, everything feels just good, so your body can just drop into the pose. Check in with your head. If you feel this is slightly too low, then you can fold in the side edges of the cushion to lift the head even a little more. So you want to feel the chin lowers just a little bit more towards the chest in a relaxed way, and then the body, not just the body, the nervous system, that's what we work with. The nervous system is completely at ease. So as you stay longer, every little niggle you want to address first before you start your relaxation, because you will hone into that after a while and feel, I'm not comfortable, feel this sticks somewhere in, or this is exposed. And so the nervous system and the mind, they will be busy with reminding you that something sticks out, something is touching what shouldn't, and you're not relaxing into this, or you're not entering this deeper relaxation. So address every little niggle, and then let your body settle. Let the back of the head settle, the shoulder blades, elbows, wrists and hands, the mid-back, the pelvis, the knees, and the heels into the support. With each out breath, give in to the gravity, the pull, the heaviness. When your body has completely settled, then stay with your breath, how it streams into the body, how the body responds to the breath, opens, creates space, and how it releases again, and the breath goes. There are natural pauses after the in and the out breath. Stay with these pauses.